I just found out a brand new drag and drop system inside Premiere Pro that has completely changed how I edit. I don't have to create adjustment layers anymore. I don't have to type out text to add on to presets. I don't even have to add manual sound effects anymore, because all I do now is go into my bin, drag and drop the template that's already made for me, and the adjustment layers are already done, the text is already added, and the sound effects are already done for me. Like, it's that fucking good, dude. Oh my God. But before I completely change how you edit, my name is Torsten Roscoe. I create short form video editing assets for short form content creators exactly like you. They speed up your entire editing workflow, like I'm gonna be showing you in just a little bit. These are the exact systems that I use in my packs. That way, you guys are not stuck at your desk all day and you can use them. They're trusted by thousands of other content creators and they're completely risk-free. So if they don't speed up your workflow, you get your money back, 100% guaranteed. So no need to worry about that. Now, let me change the editing game for you forever. So first I wanna show you guys how this works. So I go into my zooms. These are some of the ones I have that are in my packs that content creators use. I click in here. If I'm running in HD, I use the HD. If I'm running 4K, I use the 4K. Pretty simple, right? I'm using HD, so I'm gonna go into HD. And then I already have all my zooms that I personally use and a bunch of other content creators do. All I have to do now is pick the one I want. So for instance, let me just blow this up for you guys so you can actually see this. So I need a signature zoom. If you guys have seen my content, you know that I always start with like a pull out and then a pull in. So I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna grab my signature zoom, drag and drop it into my timeline, make sure that this is lined up just like so. And now in just a second, I have my zoom.
So comment Apple.
Bro, hold on. Let me show you another thing that this is absolutely crazy about. Okay, another thing I absolutely love about these is you can also make this like a hook. So there's like a lot of ways you can make this, but for instance, I have hooks that are just drag and drop, so let me show you. Look at these hooks you can see over here on the right-hand side. Let me just double click into it so you can kind of see what the hook looks like if you wanna see what it looks like. So this is a transparent background. Obviously you kind of envision the thing behind it, but this is like what the exclusive hook is, and I'll show you just one more time. Just like kind of imagine that. And then if I don't want that, obviously I can double click into these other ones as well and look at these other ones. But if I just want, let's say this first one, I just drag and drop it into my timeline. Already hooks done, my text is done, my sound effects are done.
So comment Apple and I'll send you a
no more to copy and paste. If I don't like that, I can just undo it, come over here, drag and drop it just like so, one more time. And
so comment Apple and I'll send you a full mastermind video.
like, dude, is that fucking easy? All I would have to do is replace these texts and my hook is done for this video, which is absolutely crazy. So without further ado, let me show you guys how I made these. And before I actually do that, I want to quickly let you know that if you want these exclusive hooks, if you want these zooms, they'll actually be down in the link description. Make sure to go grab the all pack. They're in the all pack, which gives you just a complete course on how to use all these. I go super in depth of how I edit my short form content super duper fast. I use all my systems, my keybinds, everything that I don't share on my YouTube channel. It's in that course. But the best part about the all pack is you get every single future pack I release for absolutely free. So it's just, dude, I could ramble on and on forever because I just absolutely love it. But it's in the link description so you guys don't miss out. And now let me show you exactly how I made this. So let's just make like let's just make a zoom to be, just make it super duper easy. So what you usually would do is, you know, you would come into your project style. So this is the project style for that. I would make an adjustment layer. So I'm gonna just make a new one by just coming over here. Adjustment layer, hit okay. You would have to do all of these things, which would just waste a ton of time. Like then you have to drag it into here, and then you would have to, you know, figure out the size you want. You would have to come over into the effects, and then if you guys have my zooms, you can just come and drag and drop like my signature zoom that I literally just showed you. Let me find it right here. I drag and drop it, and now the entire zoom is pretty much same done. And then you would also have to grab your own sound effects, but you know, you don't have to do that anymore, which is absolutely awesome. But the way I did it is I just made it first. So I made the adjustment layer, I made my animation. So once I already have all my animation done, all I did was I right clicked, I went down to make subsequence. Now it's gonna make a subsequence. If you come into that exact project file, it's gonna be right here. And if you double click into that, then it's gonna show you, if I can find it, scroll, there we go. You can now see that adjustment layer. Now that is where that's gonna be saved. Now the way you can save this and have this as a template that just already, like you can see how mine are just all organized and everything. I did that organizing, but to make it where you can just always open it like this and always have this is I make it into a template. So the way to do that is once you have, let's say, all your subsequences and stuff like this, come over to File and hit Save as Template. Now when you open a new project file, so let's say I'm making a new project file, we'll just make it like test, text, whatever, put it where you need it, go in the templates, and then you will see the exclusive hooks template. If you guys grab the all pack, I'm sure you'll see a bunch more once I update it, and also the zooms template. So let's just say I want the zooms template. So I just click it, click create, and boom, it already has over here the sound effects that are in it. It gives me adjustment layers. If I want to, make a new sequence and I'm making a reel right now, all I have to do is just come into, let's say I'm working at 4K, just double click it, and now I have a 4K 9x16 reel ready to go, ready to create this. And I can just come into my zooms, and then here are all those zooms that you can just drag, drop, boom, done. It's that fucking easy, bro. I love this so much. So if you guys thought this was very helpful, please share this video with one of your friends, and make sure to go grab the all pack that's in the link in the description. And if you want to learn exactly how I actually edited this Apple edit you see on screen right now, definitely go check this video out right over here. I break down the entire video with you guys. I live edit, so you'll know exactly how I created it super duper fast as always. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!